Easy care and full of personality, sedum deserve a spot in every late summer garden. They're colorful, drought-tolerant, and pest-free. Their distinctive, fleshy leaves combine with bright flower clusters to create show-stopping beauty. Sedum come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and growth habits, with options for every landscape use. If you're looking for short varieties for a rock garden, a container planting, or to cascade over a stone wall, consider cheery Little Miss Sunshine, bicolor red wiggle, vibrant dragon's blood, or unusual blue spruce. Taller, upright varieties that add interest to the late-season garden include the aptly named Brilliant, softly colored lemon jade, abundantly flowering Matrona, and sturdy-stem T-Rex. Most change color as the season progresses and provide nourishing seed heads for birds in winter. Variegated varieties come in multiple color combinations for an extra level of interest. Consider the jazzy Boogie Woogie, the glowing tones of Wildfire, or the delightful bicolor rosettes of Atlantis. If you just can't decide, no worries, we offer 3 money-saving collections. Our short collection includes the long-blooming Dazzleberry, fragrant Blue Elf, and deep plum Firecracker. The tall collection features the deep shades of Night Embers, the tooth-edged Blade Runner, and profusely blooming T-Rex. Finally, our sedum collection offers a little of each, with best-selling Autumn Fire, early blooming Angelina, and the rosy tones of Fulda Glow. Whichever varieties you choose, sedum livens up the garden like nothing else can. Considering that they're virtually carefree and are pest and disease resistant, how can you go wrong? To have a look at our full selection, click the Bluestone Sedum link below and give them a try. For more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.